Can you see your pie charts? Hmm? So these are two pie charts and question statement is given to you. Whenever you are getting this kind of these kind of graphs, first 2 to 3 minutes, give some time to analyze that analyzing of how you'll be putting up data together, how you'll put up, what will you write in overview paragraph. So give some time to analyze the graph and then start writing. Okay, fine. So first thing is paraphrasing. The pie charts do not use the word below while paraphrasing, and you have to change the word uh, if I say verb basically. So here I can see in the question statement, there's the word show, which is changed to illustrate the comparison of different kinds of energy production of plants in 2 years. That is changed to proportion of 5 types of energies. Instead of 2 years, the writer has mentioned the years specifically, 1995 and 2005. You can also mention units. Units are measured in percentage. Okay, are you getting me?
Okay.
Okay. Then you have to put up you have to write down the overall paragraph, sorry, overview paragraph, which will have the bigger portion and the smaller portion. Bigger one I can see is the production by gas, and the least is one I can see is other. Right? It is other. Other sources of energy accounted the least. So this is what is mentioned in overview paragraph. Okay, so most significant is written over here. You can also write down the major factor or the energy was produced, the major factor or the major source, the source which produced the source which produced the most energy were gas and coal. Okay, do not write the numbers. And yeah, do not write the numbers is what I will suggest to you in overview paragraph. Do not put any numbers or fractions in overview paragraph. Just put up highest and lowest. So gas and coal accounted the most of energy production, whereas nuclear and other contributed the least. Is if I'll write it down in 1995 as well as 2005. Okay, what is given over here is also correct, but do not put any numbers. Do not put any kind of fraction also. Half of the production of energy while nuclear generated the least. Okay, in all the types of energy production, there was only a minimal change. So in overview paragraph, you can also put up the trend and the changes that have taken place. Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
So overview paragraph should contain highest, lowest, trend, or something or the changes. Okay, fine. Next and final, next one is writing your body paragraph. You can start with the linker. Yesterday only we discussed with regards to, with respect to, yeah, in terms of, in case of. These are the linkers you can use to start your body paragraphs in writing task one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So first one, the writer has started off with the previous year. Every time you have to start with the past year first. That is a past year. It is given as past year only, but the first year that is given is 1995 and details of 1995. And now you have to put down the numbers. Like energy produced by coal was 29.80. Gas, you have to put up, yeah, the numbers and what changes have taken place from 1995 to 2005. Okay, so as I can see, there's no major change, only a minimal of 1% change. Okay, that is what is written over here in your first body paragraph. Energy produced by coal comprised of 29.80 in the first year, and this showed only a very slight increase of a mere. Mere means a little bit of 1% to 30.9 in 2005. Likewise is also a linker. Okay, likewise is the linker. Yeah, likewise, in the same way, similarly, anything you can use if the trend is somewhat same. ठीक है? Somewhat same. That means यहाँ पे gas और coal almost एक जैसे behave कर रहे हैं, इसलिए उन्होंने linker put up किया likewise. Gas generated 29.63 और rose marginally, थोड़ा बहुत increase हुआ है, तो आपको ये word put up करना जरूरी है. Marginally, minimally, slightly, ठीक है? Any word you can use. कितना increase कितना डिक्रीज, ये पुट अप करना बहुत जरूरी है. कितना इंक्रीज, कितना डिक्रीज. ओके. सो कितना इंक्रीज, कितना डिक्रीज will be always a adjective or adverb for you. Okay. So marginally is here acting as an, basically it's an acting as an adverb over here. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी बचे हुए जो हैं, that the details of coal, sorry, the details of petrol, nuclear and other will come in second body paragraph. You cannot skip any of it because all of them writing about it is, all of them are your categories and writing about is very, very, all of them is very important. With regards to remaining ones, so as you can see, you can just, आपको ये नहीं करना है कि एक एक नंबर अलग अलग पुट अप करना है, आपको जस्ट कंपेयर करना है, राइट. So how much increase, how much decrease is what you can write down. There was an approximate 5% growth. ठीक है, correct. 5% growth. Now other was 4.90 and it increased to 9.10. Petrol was 29.27, which decreased basically. Nuclear was 8 point something, which increased. Okay. So approximately there is an increase in others than nuclear, right? ठीक है. With regards to remaining method, there was an approximate 5% growth in production from both nuclear power and other sources to 10.10 and 9.10 respectively. Okay, this is how you have to do. If you are putting two numbers together and the categories named together, you have to suffix it with the word respectively. That is very important. मतलब कि that means 10.10 is for nuclear and 9.10 is for other sources. ओके. ठीक है.
Okay.
Only petrol I can see is behaving completely opposite. Every uh, every source of energy has increased, had increased basically. However, petrol's contribution in energy production decreased from 29.27 to around one fifth. Now, this is very important. आपको हर समय सिर्फ numbers नहीं put up करने चाहिए. Do not put numbers. Put fractions also. Yeah, to show variation in your writing. Okay. To show variation in writing, it is very important that you, and specifically and especially for your pie chart, you can use more and more, um, I mean proportions, fractions. Now, one fifth, 19.55 is nothing but 20%, around 20%, and if you convert and if you write it in fraction, it is around one fifth. Okay. Suppose if it is 75%, then it should be three fourths. Okay. If it is 25%, one fourth. Okay. You have to basically calculate. You do not have to calculate because fractions and its calculation in numbers is given to you in notes already. You just have to remember. Fine. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Next is table.
मैम
एक
वहाँ पे
कॉमा.
पाई चार्ट टिक है.
पाई चार्ट का हो गया है, बता दिया मैंने आपको.
नहीं नहीं मैम, पाई चार्ट पर टिक लिखा है तो वो वैसे लिखना पड़ेगा क्या?
हाँ. टिप्स जो लिखे हैं, this is just for your help, which I have explained it to you. Largest and smallest portions in overview paragraph. If there are two pie charts in different time periods, then you must highlight key changes. Anyhow, any graph that is given to you, you should highlight key changes, important changes, and the highest and the lowest ones. That this thing I've given to you on Saturday only, जब आप summary के लिए लिख रहे थे. ठीक है. Then pie chart, accounts. You can use the word accounts if it is past tense accounted. Comprises if it is past tense comprised. Represents before putting up number. As you can see over here, I'll just show it to you. Hmm. Can you see this one? Which together accounted. Okay. So you can write down. यहाँ पे भी आप लिख सकते हो about which, if I have to change this, energy produced by coal, see here, comprised. Okay. So put up these words These are very important words, and this enhances your bands very well. Okay, rose marginally. Can you see this one? This is nothing but you are trying to tell the examiner, okay, that this has risen, ये increase हुआ है, पर कैसे increase हुआ है? थोड़ा बहुत increase हुआ है, ठीक है?
Okay.
On the other hand, can you see this one? This is nothing but linkers and connect. This is the linker for showing your opposite trend. Okay? इसकी जगह आप however भी use कर सकते
Okay.
हैं. Can you see this one? Around 1/5. Exact
Okay.
1/5 नहीं है, around 1/5 है. Can you see this one? So here, basically, instead of putting the same number, a fraction has been put up, and you have to do this only for showing variation in your writing. For if you show variation in writing, then you get more bands. Avoid repetition of words. Okay.